Guys, I'm Rich. Welcome to Rich with Cars. If you're new to the channel, make sure to check me out, subscribe, like for car content having to do with reviews, events, and other car related stuff. So in this week's review, I'm going to be going over the Lexus LC500s behind me. This is my very own. The lane keep assist and cruise control functions, because I had a couple of viewers that were asking me how that works or if it works well enough, because they are considering getting an LC500. Now keep in mind, mine is a 2018, so later or newer models like the 2023s or the 2024s will have updated systems that will probably work a little better. But at least it'll give you a pretty good idea of how the Lexus LC500 fares on the highway in terms of keeping you in the lane and trying to be a little bit hands off. So guys, strap in, let's take a look. So we're just gonna get started right now with filming, I guess, cruise control in just regular roads. I'm not gonna go too fast, but I wanted to show you guys a little bit. So as you can see, I'm basically gonna put on cruise control here, and then of course I'll be setting it shortly, as long as nobody gets in my way. So now I'm gonna set it. Look. So now I'm set at just a slow 46 miles an hour. I'm just adjusting the distance control, and then as you guys can see, that button over there is the lane keep assist. So if you can see, lane keep assist turned on, and now hands off. So you'll see how long it takes for the warning system to come on and tell you to put your hands back on the steering wheel. So now it just started showing me. So now I gotta put it back on. Hands off again. And there is a bend coming up, so you guys will be able to see how it handles bends basically. So now I just lost the lane trace assist or the lane tracing, because sometimes the light will turn from green to white, but now there's a bend coming up right now, so you guys will see. So not so good. Now I just guided it again, and I don't feel safe. Yeah, it's not that great, let's just say. Cruise control is still on, but let's just say it's not that great, because it doesn't actually take on the bends that great. There's another bend coming up right now, and I have yeah, no good. I don't want to be going or swerving into the next lane, because I do have somebody on my blind spot or a little bit further behind my blind spot, so I will not be taking a risk. So next up, I'll show you guys how it looks like on the highway. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put it back on cruise control over here, so it's on now. I'm gonna set it, so it's set now, and then to show you guys, I'm gonna turn it off, and now I'm gonna turn it back on, the lane keep assist. So let's see how it works. Hands off. There's a bend coming up right now. Let's see how it handles it. I'm gonna put my hands back on just in case. Well, let's see now. So it seems like it's handling it okay. It's not a huge bend, but it seems like on the highway on higher speeds it does handle the bends a little bit better. So straight in between the lanes in the highway on higher speeds, it seems like it does a better job than when you're going in slower speeds on regular roads. So we'll see with this bend that's coming up right now, and hopefully it'll give you guys a good idea of how it handles the bends. So bend coming up. Nope, didn't handle it well there. Once again, nope. So yeah, so it's not that great. I mean, I have a Genesis GV80. That one's probably one of the best in the industry, alongside with some of the Germans, but I can tell you that this is not that great. It's not that great. Now it's on. So yeah, it's not that great. It's not that great. So hands off again. Yeah, it doesn't even keep, even when, if you guide it a little bit to get started on a bend, it'll stay right on the edge. Yeah, but right now I can't do it for whatever reason. It's not reading the lanes. So just wanted to show you guys how the lane keep assist works within the LC500 on 2018. Definitely not that great, and would definitely require some improvement. I'm sure that the Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5 or 2.5 Plus on the 2024 is probably better, because even till this point right now, the lane keep assist light has not turned green yet. I don't know why it's not doing that. It just did it before. I turned it off and back on now, and yeah, it's not great. Let's just say it's not great. Not sure if a lot of people will be buying this car to see how it actually does the lane keep assist, but it is a GT and it is made for long journeys as well. So that would be definitely a feature you'd want to have if you want to be relaxed sometimes on a long distance drive. So yeah, that's basically it. I wanted to show you guys that. It seems like it probably doesn't read it that well on concrete, because now on asphalt, yeah, now on asphalt it's actually turned green. So maybe on concrete surfaces it might not read it that well because maybe of the color of the concrete, but on asphalt it's back to green now, and now the lane keep assist is back on. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I hope you got something out of this, and if you're considering an LC500 and you want to have the lane keep assist as something that is important to you, I would definitely consider probably the later models that have the updated system, the Lexus Safety System 2.5. So aside from that, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for additional car content moving forward, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks guys, take care.